When it comes to finding cookware that combines modern technology, eco-friendly materials, and exceptional functionality, this Nuwave Lux 13 pieces forged lightweight cookware set stands out as a game changer. Designed to cater to both seasoned chefs and everyday cooks, this cookware set promises an unparalleled cooking experience that meets the highest standards of performance and safety. In this in-depth review, we'll explore every detail of the Nuwave Lux cookware set to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. From the innovative Duralon G10 ceramic coating to its compatibility with all cooktops, including induction, this set is more than just cookware. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Why choose Nuwave Lux over other cookware sets? The Nuwave Lux 13 pieces cookware set offers a unique blend of features that are hard to find in competing products. Health-focused materials, free from toxic chemicals, making it safer for everyday use. Durability, scratch-resistant, corrosion-proof, and designed to last. Versatility, works on all cooktops and is oven-safe. Innovative lids, self-basting technology for enhanced flavors. Eco-conscious, manufactured with sustainability in mind. What's included in the Nuwave Lux 13 pieces cookware set? The set comprises 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, 2 quart saucepan with lid, 5 quart stockpot with lid, 3 quart sauté pan with lid, 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan, bonus steamer insert, and utensils. Every piece is designed for maximum functionality, durability, and ease of use, ensuring your cooking experience is seamless and enjoyable. Superior construction, lightweight yet durable. One of the standout features of the Nuwave Lux cookware set is its forged aluminum construction. Unlike traditional cookware, this set strikes a perfect balance between strength and lightweight convenience. It's easy to maneuver, making it ideal for tasks like sautéing or flipping delicate foods like fish or crepes. The 9H rated hardness ensures exceptional resistance to scratches, abrasions, and corrosion, extending the life of your cookware far beyond expectations. Healthy Duralon Blue G10 ceramic coating. The Nuwave Lux cookware set takes health and safety to the next level with its Duralon Blue G10 ceramic coating. This all-natural, eco-friendly coating is free from harmful chemicals such as PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Unlike traditional non-stick coatings, the Duralon G10 doesn't emit toxic gases when exposed to high temperatures, making it safer for you and your family. Additionally, its ultra non-stick surface ensures that food releases effortlessly, reducing the need for excess oil or butter, perfect for health-conscious cooks. Versatile performance across all cooktops. Whether you're using an induction stove, gas range, or electric cooktop, the Nuwave Lux cookware set is designed to excel. The induction-ready base heats quickly and evenly, eliminating hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. Moreover, the cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, including the metal lids, allowing for seamless stovetop-to-oven transitions. This versatility makes it perfect for baking bread, roasting vegetables, or slow-cooking stews. Premium metal lids with flavor channels. The lids included in this set are not your ordinary metal covers. They feature innovative flavor dots, which are engineered to redirect moisture back onto the food during cooking. This self-basting mechanism enhances the flavors of your dishes, ensuring juicy meats, tender vegetables, and flavorful sauces. Easy cleanup for busy lifestyles. Say goodbye to scrubbing stubborn food residues. The ultra-smooth ceramic coating and glossy exterior make cleanup a breeze. Each piece is dishwasher-safe, adding convenience to your daily routine. Eco-friendly and PFAS-free design. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Nuwave Lux cookware set is its commitment to sustainability. The cookware is tested rigorously to ensure it is free from PFAS, para- polyfluoroalkyl substances, chemicals known to harm health and the environment. By choosing this set, you're investing in a healthier, eco-conscious lifestyle without compromising on performance. Backed by a 10-year warranty, purchasing cookware is an investment, and Nuwave stands behind their product with a 10-year limited warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, assuring you of the set's quality and durability. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.